Cornell Notes are a great method for taking notes that helps you not only organize what's being said in class, but helps you study the material later. Cornell Notes were developed at Cornell University as a great method to take notes in a modern teaching environment. Teachers nowadays organize their materials in things like PowerPoints or guided notes, even using Smartboard as their note-taking medium. They're designed to go well with a template, or they can be added to a regular ruled notebook page. If you're using a notebook page, start by drawing a line at the top. Draw a line at the bottom, leaving about 4 or 5 lines for you to write a summary later. Extend that margin line over a little bit more so we can fill more information in. Consider each major topic or lecture as a different title, a different page in your notes. Always date so you can remember when the notes were taken. The first major subtopic usually is found on the first slide or set of slides. Underneath that subtopic, write down each of the individual details, putting as much or as little detail as you need to make sure that you remember what's put on the slides in front of you. Repeat this process for each subtopic or for each slide or set of slides, bulleting the details under each topic. Count out the number of details under each subtopic. This will help you know exactly how many details you are responsible for. The margin's also a great place to write any clarifying questions that you can get answered before school, after school, or by rereading the text. The last step, and this is something you do after you've completed the notes, either later that day or at the end of the lecture. Summarize all of the information on that page. You've taken information that was presented to you in lecture form, you turned it into bullet points, now put it in your own words in sentence form. 3 to 4 sentences, write one paragraph to summarize the entire lecture. Now not only do you have your notes, but you have all clarifying questions and you're prepared to study these notes. If you ever wanted to know how many details and count out exactly the length and breadth of what is expected of you, count out your details. If you need to know 9 facts, you need to make sure that you can recite 9 facts at the end of studying. Before any test or quiz, make sure that you ask a teacher, ask a friend, or look at PowerPoints or videos online to answer any clarifying questions you had while taking note. Our summary is great for a 2-minute study. Go back and reread all of the big ideas and as many of the major details in one single paragraph. This is a great study habit to build.